Welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to hide your freezer app from your Android phone. Right now, actually look at my freezer here, and most of the times you have some applications which you already hide inside this freezer, but you don't want this freezer to be displaced or to be accessed easily in your Android phone. So this is exactly what we're going to do. So once you come here, as you can see, look at the freezer here. It's easily accessible in front of my phone. So you come down to this area. So you long press, just hold your screen and this will pop up. Just tap on the screen, the settings, sorry. I hope you can see the settings. I'll click on settings. Then I'll click on others, right? I'll click on others and look at the freezer. So what I do now is that I'll turn it off, right? So when I turn it off now, let's go back and look at it has disappeared from its position, so you can't actually access it. Now another thing I want to show you here is this. Look at, you can actually drag this. Let me say you want to drag this particular app, you long hold it, you can drag it around, you get. But these settings that I'm going to show you will help you to lock this app so that it can be shifted. So what you do, you do the same thing, long press on your screen, go to settings, then go to others. When you go to others, you go to layout, right? Then you now click on, you on the layout. So let's go back now. I'll now hold this app and you'll see you can't be able to move any of these apps anymore. Can you see? You can't be able to move it. So if this is the first time you're coming to this channel, do well to subscribe. Let's go.